Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Today I will deliver lecture 5 of week 9 and we will revise chapter 1 fundamentals of computer. First of all, I will give you the recap of previous lesson. In our previous lesson, we have discussed about computer hardware and few input devices. Computer hardware is the physical component of the computer. For example, input devices, output devices, storage devices, etc. And yesterday we have discussed about input devices. Input device is used to feed the data in the computer. Keyboard is the main input device. It is used to enter data and used to communicate with the computer. And we can enter alphabets, letters, numbers and special symbols in the computer using keyboard. Mouse is a handheld device and it is used to give commands to the computer. It has 2 or 3 buttons and we can use the mouse for selecting icon or a file, and it can be used to draw image, open or closing of the file, etc. Joystick is a pointing device that is used for playing the computer games. It has a lever that is mounted that on vertically on the joystick, and the lever has buttons used to activate certain events while playing games. Today we will discuss about other input devices. Microphone, or you can say mic, and you are familiar with it, and it is also an input device. By using mic, you input audio to the computer, and when you speak in a mic, the audio signals enters in the mic, and a mic convert these signals into the electrical signals and send them to the computer. And in the computer, the sound card convert or translate the electrical signals to digital form, so that computer can easily understand the input given by the user. Scanner is another input device. It is used to capture images and stores them in digital form in computer. You can see the scanner in the image, and you can see the flip on the scanner. When you have to capture the image, you will place the image in the scanner and flip down the cover of the scanner. And it also includes optical character reader software for editing. What this software will do, the optical character reader will convert the image of the text into a text file, and then you can edit that text. Barcode reader. It is also another form of scanner, and it is used to read the barcode printed on the products, and it can be this barcode represents the product code, description and the price, and this barcode reader is used in retail stores, and it is used to print the bills. Digital camera. It also captures the picture and store them in digital form in the camera. These pictures can be transferred to the computer for editing, viewing and inserting in documents. Touch screen. Basically it is a pressure sensitive screen. When you press the screen with the help of your finger, or you click on any icon on the screen, that icon will get open. Here you don't need a mouse, you will touch the screen and the command will be executed. Touchpad. You can see the touchpad in the laptop. It is used as an alternate to mouse. It is also an input device. It is used to move the mouse cursor on the screen. The mouse cursor will move in the direction of your finger movement on the touchpad. Today we have discussed about input devices, that is microphone, scanner, barcode reader, digital camera, touch screen and touchpad. Microphone is used to take an audio input and convert it into electrical signals, which then are translated into the digital form by the sound card in the computer. Scanner captures the images and store it in the computer, and these images can be edited by using a special software, that is optical character reader. Barcode reader is another form of scanner that is used to read the barcode on the products, and it is used to produce the bill in the retail stores. Digital camera also captures images and stores the images in the and images stored in the camera, and later on these images can be transferred to the computer for editing. Touch screen and touchpad. Touch screen is a pressure sensitive screen. When you apply a pressure with the help of your finger, it will take the command and interpret the command. For example, you want to open an icon or application, you will touch that icon with your finger. You will apply a pressure with your finger, and these type of screens are used in mobiles, laptops or tablets. Touchpad is present in the laptops, and it is used as an alternate to the mouse. And by using the touchpad, you can move the mouse cursor on the screen. Okay, got it? I hope you all understand the lecture. Now I will come to the assignment. Write down function of any three input devices. This is end of our lecture. Thank you.